Hey everybody, it is June 13th, and today on Sandra Boynton's 2021 Every Day's a Fabulous Holiday Calendar, it is Sewing Machine Day. It's ironic, I recently had to explain to somebody that no, I never did say that my daughter was a sewing machine. I said she was a singer. I was going to make a joke here about a sewing machine with a broken needle, but it was pointless. Instead, I did hear about a thief who was stealing a whole bunch of sewing machines from a shop recently, one after another. Police think he's following a pattern. So, I would give you more sewing machine jokes, but I'm out of material. Happy Sewing Machine Day.